Meron akong hindi naintindihan. Ito yung tungkol sa targets and financial allocation for Sulu Province. I'm baffled by the setup.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I can't understand the submission. Not entirely clear. One. Asan na ba to? Hindi ko maintindihan yung sa Sulu. Ano yung target and financial assistance? I think itinanong. Kasi dati BARM siya, di ba? Pero hanggang ngayon nakatenga rin sa korte. It appears that there were two lawsuits that were filed urging that Sulu be restored to BARM. So I'm wondering.
Madam Chair, just for the record,
But nothing was submitted? Was something
ma'am, it's a
submitted?
one-page submission that shows
Can't seem to
the
find it, eh. Oo.
that shows the targets
ito,
and allocation for Sulu
Tama,
alone.
physical targets for Sulu alone. Okay.
Yes. So in effect, what we're trying to say, Madam Chair, is nothing will change because allocated naman ho yung pera.
So you say nothing changes for Sulu.
Kasi I believe ang worry ni Senator Tolentino, paano na ang Sulu? So we said, given that the whole money is given to BARM, meron naman disaggregated per province. So we will just carve out the Sulu so that we can allocate that for Sulu.